Hi, this is Pam from What Will I Make, with a quick video on how to get started with creating a simple geometric pattern on a CNC router. I've got a Stepcraft 420 CNC and I've been trying to find an easy way to create a design and carve it. I've tried some different software, but the one that I prefer while I'm getting started is Easel from Inventables. It's really easy to import an SVG file, get set up and visualize your finished workpiece and export the G-code. Here's a step-by-step guide of what I did. First you'll need to go to inventables.com, create a free account and log into Easel. Open a new workpiece and rename it. Go to the Machine tab to set up your work area. Then select the material you want to carve and set the dimensions. Choose the bit you're using and enter the cutting diameter if it's not on the list. You can toggle between inches and millimeters here. Select File, Import SVG to select the drawing you want to carve. Resize and rotate your drawing like this. Then select the depth you want to cut to. You can cut the full depth of the material. I'm just going to cut to 3 millimeters. You can change how the tool cuts your design, but I'm going to stick to the outline. Click Simulate to generate the toolpath. You can go to the cut settings to change things like feed rate and depth of cut. I've stuck with the recommended settings. Click on Machine, Advanced, Generate G-code and Export G-code. Now you're ready to set up your CNC and get carving. I meant to show how to set up your workpiece, zero the machine and import G-code to UC CNC, but I forgot to record it. Comment below if you'd like me to create another video and show you these steps. I sanded down the finished board and cleared out the grooves. I tipped at the edges with standard electrical tip. I mixed up some resin from Resinate and selected some mica powder colours. I then used a syringe to fill the cutouts. When the resin was dry, I sanded and oiled the board. I find this process really easy for a first project. I'm going to continue creating CNC projects with increasing difficulty. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see what I create next. If you'd like me to send you the SVG file, then just leave a comment below and I'll send you the link. Thanks for watching.